Hello, everyone, and welcome to Maple Money Talks, your simple guide to money, benefits, taxes, and life in Canada. In today's video, we're going to understand the GST/HST credit in Canada completely step by step. If you're a newcomer, student, worker, parent, or someone confused about CRA payments, this video will help you understand who gets the GST/HST credit, how much money you can receive, why some people stop receiving payments, and the common mistakes many Canadians make. I'll explain everything in very simple language with real examples. So let's get started. The GST/HST credit is a tax-free payment given by the Canada Revenue Agency, also known as CRA. This benefit is designed to help low and moderate income individuals and families. In Canada, whenever you buy things like groceries, clothes, restaurant food, electronics, or services, you pay GST or HST taxes. The government created this credit to help people recover some of those taxes. The best part is, you usually do not need to apply separately. CRA automatically checks your eligibility when you file your income taxes. That means even if you have little or no income, filing taxes is extremely important because it helps determine whether you qualify for benefits like GST/HST credit. To qualify for the GST/HST credit, you generally need to meet a few conditions. First, you must be a resident of Canada for income tax purposes. Second, you usually need to be at least 19 years old. However, even if you are under 19, you may still qualify if you are married or in a common law relationship, or if you are a parent living with your child. Another very important condition is filing your taxes. Many newcomers and students think they do not need to file taxes because they earned little income. But if you don't file, CRA cannot calculate your benefits. So filing taxes every year is extremely important, even with zero income. The amount you receive depends on several factors. CRA looks at your family income, whether you are single or married, how many children you have, and sometimes your province. Generally, lower-income households receive higher payments. For example, a single person with lower income may receive a few $100s per year. Families with children may receive significantly more. The payments are divided into quarterly installments throughout the year. It's important to understand that benefit amounts change regularly because CRA updates calculations based on inflation and tax returns. That's why your payment may increase or decrease from year to year. The GST/HST credit is usually paid 4 times every year. Payments are generally sent in January, April, July, and October. If you signed up for direct deposit with CRA, the money usually arrives faster directly into your bank account. If you receive payments by check, delivery may take longer. Sometimes, when a payment date falls on a weekend or holiday, CRA may send it slightly earlier. You can also check your payment information through CRA My Account online. One of the most common questions people ask is, why did my GST payment stop? There can be several reasons. The biggest reason is usually not filing taxes. If CRA does not receive your tax return, they may pause your benefits. Another reason could be an increase in household income. Since GST/HST credit is income-based, higher income can reduce or stop payments. Changes in marital status can also affect calculations. Sometimes, CRA may temporarily review your account or request additional documents. Incorrect direct deposit or address information may also create delays. Many newcomers and international students do not realize they may qualify for GST/HST credit. If you are living in Canada and considered a resident for tax purposes, you may become eligible. This is why filing taxes is extremely important for students and newcomers. Even if you earned very little money or worked part-time, filing taxes helps CRA determine your benefits. New permanent residents may also need to complete certain CRA forms when arriving in Canada. Remember, every situation can be different, so always check official CRA information if you are unsure. Let's talk about some common mistakes people make. Number 1. Not filing taxes. This is the biggest mistake because CRA uses your tax return to calculate benefits. Another mistake is not updating marital status. If you get married or separated and don't inform CRA, your payments could become incorrect. Many people also forget to update their address or banking details. And finally, never ignore letters from CRA. Sometimes CRA simply needs verification documents to continue your payments. The easiest way to check your GST/HST credit status is through CRA My Account. There you can see upcoming payments, past payments, tax returns, and benefit notices. You can also update direct deposit information and personal details. If you are unable to access online services, you may contact CRA support directly. Keeping your information updated helps avoid delays and confusion. Let's understand with a simple example. Imagine an international student working part-time in Canada. Even though their income is low, they still file taxes. CRA reviews their income and determines they qualify for GST/HST credit. As a result, the student starts receiving quarterly payments. This is why many newcomers are surprised when they discover they were eligible all along. Again, filing taxes is the key step. So let's quickly summarize everything. The GST/HST credit is a tax-free benefit from CRA designed to help eligible Canadians. To receive it, filing taxes every year is extremely important. Your income, marital status, and family size all affect payment amounts. And keeping your CRA information updated helps avoid delays. Hopefully this video made the GST/HST credit much easier to understand. Thank you so much for watching Maple Money Talks. If this video helped you understand the GST/HST credit better, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends or family who may benefit from this information. On this channel, we simplify Canadian money matters, taxes, benefits, immigration-related finances, and everyday financial topics. See you in the next video.